section on matrices. That is, here, the next thing, let's look at transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Then here, transpose here means that we interchange the row and the column of a matrix. For instance, if we have a matrix A given as 3, 2, 1, then 4, 2 minus 1, which is a 2 by 3 matrix. That is, we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Then A transpose, written as A with T with raised to power T, then this will be equals to the row here will turn to the column. That is, here we are going to have 3, 2, 1. Then same thing, the second row too will turn to the second column. And this becomes 4, 2 minus 1. Then here, this gives us a 3 by 2 matrix. So therefore, matrix transpose of a matrix is simply we interchange the row to the column. That is what is known as transpose of a matrix. And let's look at this example to illustrate this better. Example from here. If A is a 2 by 3 matrix, that is, we have 1, 2, 5, then minus 3, 4, 7, and B is given as a 3 by 2 matrix. That is, we have 1, 4, 2, 5, then 3, 6. Then we have to find the following one: A transpose, 2, B transpose, then 3, A times B, then transpose, then 4, B transpose times A transpose. So here, let's look at the solution from what we have. The first one, A transpose. It means that the row will turn to column in the matrix A here. That is, here from A, the first row here will turn to the column. So we are going to have 1, 2, 5. Then also the second row will turn to the second column. Then that gives us minus 3, 4, 7. So this is A transpose here. That is, we interchange the row for the column. Then the matrix A, which is a 2 by 3 matrix, has now become a 3 by 2 matrix, which is the interchange of the column, row to the column. Now let's look at the second one here, number 2, which is B transpose. Also, B transpose here, we interchange the row to the column. So the row here become the column. That means we have 1, 4. Then also we have 2, 5. Then the next one down to the next column, which is 3, 6. So B transpose give us a 2 by 3 matrix. And already we have B to be 3 by 2 matrix. That is 3 rows and 2 columns. Then B transpose is now 2 rows and 3 columns. That means 2 by 3 matrix here. So that is transpose of a matrix. Now let's look at the third question here. We first find A times B, then we find transpose. Now, from here, number 3, A times B transpose. First thing here, let's find AB. Then AB means we multiply A and B. That is the matrix A, which is 1, 2, 5, minus 3, 4, 7, times the matrix B, which is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. From here, of course, this matrix A here is a 2 by 3 matrix. Then matrix B here is a 3 by 2 matrix. And when we check here, the column here and the row here are the same. So this here implies that since these are the same, we can go ahead with the multiplication here, and the result will give us a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, when we multiply here, we use the row here to take care of these 2 columns. That is, the first number, we multiply the first number. The second, we multiply the second. The third, we multiply the third. Then we add it together. Then A times B now equals to 1 times 1, that's 1, plus 2 times 2, that's 4, then plus 5 times 3, that's 15. Then we leave a space, and we use the same rule here for the next column. That is, we have 1 times 4, that's 4, then plus 2 times 5, that's 10, then plus 5 times 6, that's 30. Then we do the same thing for the next row here. Oh, this is not too dark. Sorry, please. So we do the same thing here, and the next row we multiply. That is minus 3 times 1, that's minus 3. Then plus 4 times 2, that's 8. Plus 7 times 3, that's 21. Then we leave a space. Also minus 3 times 4, that's minus 12. Then plus 4 times 5, that's 20. Plus 7 times 6, that gives us 42. That is, from here, we sum this together, and we have AB equals to, here we have 1 plus 4 plus 15, that's 20. Then we have here 4 plus 10 plus 30, give us 44 here. Then we have 3 plus minus 3 plus 8, that's 5. Then plus 21, that's 26. And here we have minus 12 plus 20, that gives us 8. Then 8 plus 42, we have 50. That is, here now we find the transpose of what we have, because what we are finding here is A times B transpose. Therefore, what we have, which is A times B transpose, will then be equals to the transpose here, we turn the row here to the column. Then what we have becomes 20, 44. Then also this turn to the column, and we have 26, 50. So we still have a 2 by 2 matrix from there. So that is what we have in the third question here. Now let's look at the next one, which is number 4. The same thing here, we have already looked at A transpose and B transpose, so we can write that out directly. That is number 4, we have B transpose times A transpose, which implies here, B transpose here, we turn the row to the column. That is, we have 1, 4, we have 2, 5, then we have 3, 6. So that's B transpose, then times A transpose. A transpose here, also the row turns to the column, and this becomes 1, 2, 5. Then we have minus 3, 4, 7. So this is A transpose. Then when we check the order of this matrix, this is a 2 by 3 matrix. And here, this is a 3 by 2 matrix. So multiply by 3 by 2 matrix. Of course, the column and the row here are the same. So we can go ahead with the multiplication here. Then this will be the result of the multiplication now. That is, when we multiply now, the first row will take care of these two columns, such that here we have 1 times 1, that's 1, plus 2 times 2, that's 4, then plus 3 times 5, that's 15. Then we leave a space. We use this same row for this column. That's 1 times minus 3, that's minus 3, then plus 2 times 4, that's 8, plus 3 times 7, that's 21. Then also the next row here, we use this for the two column. We have 4 times 1, that's 4, plus 5 times 2, that's 10, plus 6 times 5, that's 30. Then also we use this for the next column. 4 times minus 3, that's minus 12. Then plus 5 times 4, that's 20. Then plus 6 times 7, we have 42. Then when we sum this from here, this becomes 20 here. Then minus 3 plus 8, that's 5. Plus 21, that's 26. Then here give us 44. Then here we have minus 12 plus 20, that's 8. Then plus 42, that's 50 from there. So here we have 20, 26, then 44, 50. So this is B transpose times A transpose. Now we can deduce from here that because the result we have in number 3 here, I discover the same thing with what we have in number 4. So we can deduce that A times B transpose is same thing as B transpose times A transpose in matrix. So this here we deduce from here based on the results we have, which are the same. So that is transpose of a matrix. Thank you for joining us at Master Teamwork class. Subscribe to this channel so that next class you will not miss out on our class. And see you next class, and bye for now.